Hey guys, it's happening again, guys. Hi, it's New Yorker Rebecca, Becca here, and I just want to show you that I'm changing my corner again. I got this while back, I think after summer, that desk, but it's too small, and I have so many stuff there that I cannot work in there. It's too small for me, and now I got the computer, the printer, the monitor, everything there, and just can't handle it. So I'm rearranging everything, and I think I'm gonna put back the table I used to have there on the top, one of those foldable tables, on top of that. And I think that's gonna be my solution for now. But now I have a big mess because I have the cubes right here and here, and I have all those stuff doesn't have a place, and my bed now it's full of the stuff that I need to put away. So it's gonna be an interesting process, and I'm hoping to finish today. So I will come back later and show you the progress. This is the table I was talking about. You can see it's super big, super spacious. I don't want to put anything there because in summer that's gonna be the spot for the portable air conditioner. That's his spot, so I'm not gonna take it. And my plan is to put in that in the back the stuff I never ever use that I should probably get rid of them, but I'm kind of a hoarder. I have their punches, and I have their paper punches, and I have their die cuts, I think. Yeah. No, die thing is to make die cuts. Yeah, for mice. I don't even remember the name of that thing, the die machine, and I never use it. So are those stuff that I think I should get rid of it, but I still not strong enough to do it. But this is how it's looking. The only thing I don't like it is this no level there. But let's see what I can make happen there. I think probably I want to use that one, the side, like the computer office, and this side artsy crafty space. So I will be back. Hello, it's finally done. I think I'm gonna keep it this way, and I kind of like it. I think it is gonna work. There's my computer set up, my watercolors, some journals, printer, stickers, washi tape. The bottom is empty. And the top, some mixed media stuff, pens, marker paints, my brushes, lights, another light here. My high share right now is super high, and I found this in the thrift shop. I'm very excited about it, and it's full of my paints, and they are the same theme: my inks, my paints, my some color shots from Lindy's, and some inks, my apron, the same thing. I didn't touch anything, so it's the same right there. There are ribbons and laces. I think eventually that's gonna go. I never ever use that, so I think that's gonna go. And in the other stuff, the random stuff right there, eye journals and stuff that I never use, like I said before. But now it's more practical, because more functional, because everything is accessible. And if I learn where is everything, I'm gonna find it, so it's gonna be easier for me. These are paints, more paint, and magicals. I forgot the name of that stuff. Some mediums, more paint, and other mediums, and right there are glues, I think. The handy stuff that I use constantly, some ribbons, the thing for my water, random stuff, and color pencils, and the pre working right now. Those are Lindy's. I put away a lot of the ones who were not spraying. I just threw it away. I don't know gonna keep stuff that I cannot use it. Notepads and embossing powders. That's something that I think is gonna go soon. This is tape. So what is this? More medium stuff there. And this is more random stuff. Almost all these ones are random stuff that they don't really have a place. You put them all together, journals and stuff that I have been collecting, punch, paper punches, all the stuff. In the bottom one is flowers. That one in the corner is Christmas. There's this more random stuff, binders stuff, and more binder stuff, more random flowers. This one is what? More random stuff. And more random stuff. So, and right there I have all my stamps. That the card, I usually never use it because I had in the card all my paints, but they were not easy to find the paint when I need it. So I want something there that I don't use very frequently. So if I'm gonna use it, I just put it out and use it. So I think that's gonna work. But again, stamps are something I never use. Right there are the stuff that I use the most. Those are my Inktense, my nail color, some watercolors, and yeah, I think this is gonna work very good. And that one in the bottom is empty. I'm not sure when I'm gonna get what I'm gonna put there, but for now I like it the way it is. Let's see if this way I can create more and keep it more organized and good to work. Thank you for watching and see you soon.